Hello friends, how are you? Welcome everyone, because you clicked at the right time and in the most precise moment to enjoy this new video. Well, today more than anything today, I am going to unlock this device since Apple launched. A new version of iOS, and it's this one you see here, iOS 18.4. That version was released today, and we are going to try to unlock it with several cards. Yes, we have, for example, here the RSIM Club. This is very good for unlocking all iPhone models. I recommend it. We also have the Heicard, which I recommend more, especially for unlocking iPhones that are from very rare, very unusual carriers, right? I recommend this card. And I have here the MKSD Ultra, which I recommend for newer iPhones, right? From the XS, XR, XS Max onwards. I recommend using this card, right? So let's try to unlock it with these cards, but before everything, I'm going to show you that this device is locked. So that it can take a SIM card from any company, from any carrier. So you see that there is no, so you can see there are no tricks, no gimmicks, right? Okay, it's already updated to iOS 18.4. I click continue, and the famous lock message should appear. And here is the famous lock message, right? Indicating that the device doesn't accept a SIM card from another company, you know, or from another carrier.
Ready, we already did it.
The process, okay? Tricks, tips, requirements, recommendations. I'm going to leave all those details below this video for you to take into account before unlocking a device.
Yes, then. Let's begin.
I'm going to start here first with the R5 Club. I'm going to start with the R5 Club. Ready? I already installed it. It's done. And here it is. I'm going to put it on the equipment. We wait for the menu to appear, and here we will set it up. For example, here this iPhone I have is option 1. The company or carrier to which the iPhone belongs, the mobile. And finally we select the accept option. We leave this here like this. We wait for the device to have a signal. I turn off the Wi-Fi, and that's it, all set. We test if it has internet. Perfect. Ready. Now we need to do the call test. Perfect. The RSIM Club worked without problems.
Ready?
I'll put this here. Let's get ready for the next card. I'm only going to I'm just going to place the card in its wrapper. Perfect. I'm going to use the MKSD Ultra. I'm going to place it on its tray. Ready? Now I am going to insert the SIM card. Done. It's already installed. Perfect. Now I am going to place it inside the device. We wait for the card to do its job. We have to wait for the menu to appear. We need to wait for the menu to appear. Ready? Here is the menu. Here is the menu. I'll focus it here. I'm going to select option number 3, 5G mode auto. Now you need to select the carrier or the company of the device. In this case, T-Mobile. And lastly, accept. Similarly, you need to wait for the card to do its respective job. Perfect. It's done. Now, we need to check if it can browse the internet. Perfect. Without any problem. No problem. It can do it. Magnificent. Now we need to test the call.
Welcome to the telephone service
All of
center
a
of
sudden.
LLL. We are pleased to assist you.
Magnificent. It turned out very well. Okay? Here we take out the SIM card. I take out the SIM card. I take out the SIM card. I place it again. The card in its wrapper. Now, lastly, we just have to test the head start. Yes, we just need to test the head start. We place it in its slot. Perfect. Now we need to insert the card. Already, the card is already placed. It's done. Now we need to insert the card into the device. All set. Ready. Here it is. Let's select the first option. We must select the first option. Now in this case we need to select Metro PCS. Why? Because if I choose T-Mobile, it won't pick up the signal on the device and I'll have problems. So I select Metro PCS because Metro PCS is very similar to T-Mobile. You can also use Sprint and it might work for you. In this case, I don't have an internet signal, but to do it, you have to go into settings. You have to enter cellular network. You have to enter roaming. As you can see, roaming is activated, but here we have to activate it because if we do not activate it, we will not have internet. Now, you have to enter network selection and you have to turn off the automatic. You have to manually select Claro as the carrier because it's the SIM card I am inserting. Yes, you can select another carrier depending on which ones exist in your country. It has to be the carrier you insert in your SIM card, right? Ready, you need to go back. You need to enter SIM applications, and finally you need to reload TMC to try to recover the signal on the iPhone. You have to wait for the card to finish its work. Let's see now if we have the signal completely. And yes, indeed, the signal is complete. We need to test if it can browse the internet. Correct. It worked very well. It's perfect. Now we need to make a call to confirm that it makes calls.
I call the AEI call center. It is our pleasure to assist you.
Magnificent. Is working now. As you can see, it was something easy and simple to do, right? With these 3 cards that I have here on hand. Yes, you can buy them on eBay or on Amazon. You can make the purchase there, because I always get those questions in the videos. And here, well, I'm going to show you, and here it is, right? The Heicard, the RSIM Club, and the MKSD. These 3 cards are magnificent for unlocking iPhones, right? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share, and comment it with your friends. Leave me your questions, inquiries, and comments below the video, and I will gladly answer them. And if you want to be part of this nice, lovely, and beautiful community, in the section below, in the description of this video, are the WhatsApp links. And from Telegram, so you can be part of this community, right? So see you guys. Take care. Until next time.
Bye. Bye.